This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Windows host. Enable virtualization in BIOS so the VM can run efficiently and free at least 50 GB for the Mac OS image. Once done, install VirtualBox 7. X and the extension pack so USB and file system features work. This is crucial. Next, place the downloaded Mac OS recovery image in an easy folder and note the full path. Make sure Windows has a local admin account and that Hyper-V is disabled to avoid conflicts with VirtualBox. You now create and tune the VM. Pick Mac OS X as the OS type, assign at least 6 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores for responsiveness, and enable EFI firmware in settings. Once created, attach the Mac OS ISO as the optical drive and use a SATA controller for the virtual disk to improve compatibility. Then run a short set of VBox manage commands to set board ID, chipset, and CPU features so Mac OS recognizes hardware. Doing this fixes many boot problems before you boot the VM and follow the Mac OS installer. Use Disk Utility to format the virtual drive as apps, then proceed with the standard install and initial setup. Once Mac OS runs, install Community Guest Editions or configure shared folders and clipboard alternatives to integrate with Windows. Make sure to sign into iCloud only after confirming network stability. If you hit a kernel panic or boot loop, first disable Hyper-V and Windows features that conflict. Then reapply the VBox manage settings you used earlier and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.